And, punta ko na yung ating birthday celebrant. Okay. Now, this is the birthday boy. His name is Sean Paul. You can also call him Sean. And he's now 7 years old. Is that correct, Mommy? Okay, he was born April 16, 2004. So that means 7 years old na yung ating birthday boy. And he is the son of Mommy Mayet. Where's Mommy Mayet? Wave your hand. Yan. And Daddy Eman. Okay, kaway-kaway. Okay, and where's Baby Yosef? Wait, Baby Yosef. Okay, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome Baby Yosef in this world. Alright, siya yung older as younger. Younger. Tama, Daddy. In the family. Okay, now according to Mommy, the favorite food option is fried chicken. He likes fried chicken and fried fish. Ayun, very healthy food. Okay, favorite color niya, color blue. Favorite characters, SpongeBob SquarePants, Cars, madami, Spider-Man, Superman, and Ben 10. Okay, and favorite place niya whenever they go out, arcades. Mahilig sa games, ano? Alright, so that's the birthday boy. Now kids, I want you to please stand up. Lahat ng kids, stand up. Tayo, lahat ng kids. Tayo, lahat ng kids, tayo. Okay, and we're going to play my first game. I call this game The Loudest Happy Birthday Sean. Sisigaw lang kayo ng malakas na Happy Birthday Sean. Yung pinakamalakas may prize. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. Clap your hands for Sean. And of course, the winner for the loudest happy birthday Sean is Carlo. Carlo, come here. You're the winner? Yes, si Carlo ang winner. And of course, bago ko ibigay yung prize ni Carlo, wait muna, bago ko ibigay yung prize ni Carlo, Carlo, can you prove them na ikaw yung pinakamalakas mag-shout ng happy birthday Sean? Can you do it one more time? Isa pa? Ay, mukhang galing sa swimming si Sean, ha? Okay, siguro ka malakas. Happy birthday Sean. 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. Okay, very good. Congratulations. This is for you. Alright, before you sit down, ano sasabihin mo?
Thank you. Happy birthday, Sean.
Very good. Okay. Now, since it's Sean's 7th birthday party, we're going to have lots of fun. Aside from the games and the prizes, meron po tayo mamayang bubble show. Who among you have seen the bubble show before? Sino na nakapanood ng bubble show? Okay, you know what? While watching the bubble show, you're going to see different bubbles. And after the bubble show, meron kayong chance. Give you time to have picture taking inside the bubble tube. Ayan. Okay, who wants to see a mascot? Sino gusto makakita ng mascot? Okay, my guest mascot is a character from Bikini Bottom. Okay? Now, who wants to bring home balloons? Sino gusto manguhin ng balloons? Okay, these are not ordinary balloons. I'm gonna turn the long balloons, half-dome balloons, into different shapes. Iba-ibang shapes like animals, objects, Disney characters, etc. Okay? Sino gusto manalo ng prizes? Okay, now let's play my first game. I call this game Bring Me, so everybody can join. Sige. Now, listen up. This is a different Bring Me. I'm not going to tell you the objects. I'll just give you descriptions and clues. So, hulaan niyo yung objects. The first kid who can bring the right object dito sa harap, may prize. So, mommies and daddies, please help the kids kasi most of the items magagaling sa mga adults. Alright? First object. This is a metal object that can be used to start the engine of a car. Hey! Come on! Get the objects, parents, help the kids! Ay! Maya ka winner already. Sige. Alright, thank you very much. Sige, ito na nga rin. Okay, it's done. Next object. Don't worry, marami pang objects. Next object. Alright? This object naman is usually made of leather. It's flat and long with holes and buckles. You use this to tighten the pants. Lalo na pag maluwag yung pants. Go, 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 go! down, Carlo. Okay, dalawa lang po ang winners. Every item. Now, next object. Ito ginagamit nila mommies to highlight their lips. Now, your mommies use this to highlight their lips. Mommies, don't panic, don't panic. Don't panic ako, mommies. Okay. Okay, sige. Dapat bata ang magdadala. Ayan, sige. Ay, iwas. Tapos na. Next object. This is a gadget. Using this gadget, pwede kayong mag-send ng messages, like text, pictures, and messages. Ito, dalawa. Okay? Guys? Sa kanya. Ayan. O, ibang please na. Okay, next object. Listen everybody. Listen ha. Ito naman, ginagamit ng mga babies to drink their milk. Go! Babies use this to drink their milk. We have a winner. One more winner. Isa pa winner. Isa pa. Okay, congratulations. Okay. Alright, next. Now, this is my last bring me. For this one, I'll have 4 winners. 4 winners po. 4 ang winners. Kids, bring me your daddies in front. If you don't have your daddies, pwedeng grandpa, pwede lang uncle. Daddies. Yes. Okay, one more. Isa pa yung daddy or uncle or grandpa. Okay, yan na. Sige. Okay, daddy. Yes, music. Okay, daddies, please stay here. Yung mga kids, sit down. Yan, maganda pa to. Okay, then po, daddy. Balik po dito. Okay. Okay, bawal po mag-quit kasi bad example sa mga kids yan. Huwag nag-quit. Okay, don't worry. I have a good news. Lahat po kayo may prizes na. All of you will receive prizes. But, you're going to play this next game. Pag nanalo po kayo, another good news, you're going to have another prize. So the winner gets 2 prizes. Dalawa yung prizes ng winners. Pag nanalo kayo. Sige, asan yung ating bond papers? Ayun na po. Ayun pa. Okay, yan. Meron po kayong papers. Ang tawag sa game natin, Air Force One Making Contest. What's an Air Force One? It's an airplane. This is the private plane of the US President. Ang tawag yan Air Force One. So gagawa po kayo ng airplane. Pag sinabi kong go tsaka mag-start na. Okay. I will give you 20 seconds only to finish the planes. Pero hindi po pabilisan ito After 20 seconds, isa-isa po kayo, one at a time, you're going to throw your airplanes in the air. The farthest distance, palayuan. The farthest distance will be the winner. Okay? Pwede po kayong gumamit ng platform, pwede po sa floor, pwede sa table, basta 20 seconds you have to stop. Are you ready, daddies? Ay, wala. Are you ready, daddies? Yes! 20 seconds only, your timer starts now! Go! 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Yes!